Okay, so welcome to our first Young Gurus episode. I have my friend Rishabh Singh, and he's a very good reader. He's a very good writer. He's a good speaker too, and he's a good motivational speaker too. Like I have, I have no words. How can I describe him? And right here we have Rishabh Singh from Ahmedabad. And bro, don't you look so cool? Huh? Right, you look so cool. Uh, how are you, buddy?
I'm great, man. How are you? You're
I'm
a young entrepreneur, man. You're an inspiration to your
I'm
you are the guru here.
no,
It's the other way around.
no, I'm just trying to help people. How is the quarantine going?
Quarantine, well, यार अभी तो 4 महीने हो चुके हैं. It's more than 4 months, so it's been pretty good till now. Like I have been doing many things which I didn't get time before. I mean, I did get time before, but I had excuses to say and excuses to give to not do them. But now I don't have those excuses. So I've completed
Procrastination.
a lot of things. I've read a lot of books. I've created my LinkedIn account, which was not present before this quarantine period,
Okay,
and that allowed me to network with a lot of people, which is a great thing.
that's great.
And yes, that's all about it.
That's very great. Okay, so let's start. Then Rishabh. So let's start.
Sure, man. Sure.
Yeah. So how did you come up with good books? तुमको पढ़ने का इतना इंटरेस्ट कैसे आया बुक्स में?
So it's funny because I was not a reader at all in my school time, and even in the first and second year of college, I was like not into books at all. But then suddenly, I think 1.5 year back, what happened was that I was reading this business book. Okay, and this business book came, and I was reading something about it, like a short paragraph, and it was on an article on the internet. It was not even a book. So I was reading it, and I was like, okay, this is amazing, this is great. अब इसके book भी पढ़ना चाहिए, full book पढ़ना चाहिए. So I got the book, I started reading, and I actually realized that there is so much out there to learn from books. I mean, I was like, मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि ठीक है यार, every book says the same thing and there's not much to learn. But actually it's like, for me, reading is like uh, taking an interview of the author,
Yeah, yeah.
right? And the duration of the interview depends on you. Like you can complete that interview in one whole week, you can do it in one day, you can do it in 1 month. It's all upon you, and you can retake the interview again and again with the same question. Like you can reread the book again and again. So I that first book led me into reading, the habit of reading.
Okay.
So I, I selected great books, and yes, and that's how I think the habit formed. I was not very conscious of it when the habit was forming, so that is I cannot give you an answer, but that is totally into books because there was so much to learn.
Okay. So what kind of books you love? For me, I first book I read was Zero to One. I didn't used to study my NCRT book in school, but the first book I read was Zero to One. You may have heard about that book. It was by Peter Thiel. Like वो book पढ़ के I was
Yeah.
crazy. I was so crazed and I was so influenced by that author, and I really started loving books by that. I don't read much books, but I read business books. I prefer business books to read more. Okay, for me. So, what kind of books you love to read?
Yeah, same man. Like first of all, Zero to One, I actually read it pretty late. I read a lot of books before then, but I read it pretty late. But I must tell, that's the best entrepreneurship book
I
which is
know,
out there, man.
I know.
Such a short book, but it's like loads of knowledge and loads of wisdom by Peter Thiel. And
Yeah,
Peter Thiel is an amazing entrepreneur, right? So yeah, I actually my first choice was not business books. It was more of self-help books. So
okay.
motivation books. Like my first initial books were small little books like Attitude is Everything and Power of the Subconscious Mind and all
Oh,
those cliched books. Yes, yes, self-help books, and then Tony Robbins, and then
yeah.
Simon Sinek. I
Yeah,
love that guy.
I love that guy. Same. I love
Yeah,
that guy.
I love that guy absolutely. He's my favorite speaker. He's my role model as far as speaking is concerned.
Mine too.
So that, yeah, those are the books like self-help books where I don't normally read fiction.
Okay.
I used to, but like not now. I like to like I said, right? You taking an interview of the author, so you want to gain
There's
as
knowledge.
much knowledge and wisdom as you can,
Yeah.
right? So it's self-help, it's business, it's entrepreneurship, it's everything about it. Actually, it's more oriented towards earning money, keeping your mindset right, and all those things. So yeah,
Okay. Okay.
non-fiction is the
Yeah, yeah. So you read more kind of self-improvement books, right? Because I am saying
yeah.
like, I love improving myself because back then I was so like a so dumb child. I call myself a dumb child. But then at वो होता है ना कि एक एज होती है फिर तुम इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए ज्यादा चलते हो. Then unexpected things you know
Exactly,
about yourself.
exactly,
That happened to
exactly.
me in 1 year and it was like boom, the new version of Atik. So
Right. At your age, like at your age, when you started, I was not into all this, man. I was into very mediocre things. I was not into all this. So like kudos to you. The earlier you start, the better it is, man. Great.
thanks a lot, brother. Thanks a lot. So I see that bookshelves behind back. It looks so amazing, brother.
Yes.
What's the concept of that?
Those are the books like business and all those books are
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah,
Self-help and
I
everything
see
there.
that. And
Yeah.
yeah, so you read blogs or articles?
Yes, yeah. Like before reading books, I was much into articles, news articles, business articles, and now I write blogs on my LinkedIn account.
Oh,
So I'm, more familiar with the genre now.
okay.
But I have written. I can say this. I have written more blogs than I have read. Right. So that's like the other way
Okay.
around.
Okay. Okay, then it was I saw you are very good at entrepreneurship. Yeah, have you gained some startup? No, have you started some startup or have you been a part of any startup?
Yeah. So, in 2018, two couple of years back, I actually competed. You must have heard this. I competed in this contest, which was Startup Weekend.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
is,
yeah. I know.
yeah, yeah. So that was like my first experience of startup. So I participated in that, and so over the course of 3 days, like
Okay.
for everybody else, just explain what that is. So over the course of 3 days, you have to come up with an idea. You have to solve an existing problem, solve that problem, make a business model around it, build a small prototype, and then on the last day, you are expected to pitch that idea, that prototype, in front of investors. So if they really like your idea, you actually get the money and you can carry on with your business model, and that's how it works.
Yeah.
So that was my first experience. So I'll tell you this amazing experience I had in those 3 days. I actually my business model. So there was this first round of pitch, and I failed at that because my business model was not, it was not viable as far as the panelists were there.
Okay.
So what happened is I joined another team, right?
Okay.
And what happened was that there was a rift among the team, right? They were not like people were not able to work with each other. सब
Yeah.
एक साथ काम नहीं कर पा रहे थे.
Yeah. Yeah.
So at the end of third day, we were like, we are dropping it. We're not going to present in front of the panelists. We are not going to do it because people are not like we हम एक team में ही एक दूसरे से झगड़ रहे. We don't want to do it, and we left the work also. Like we didn't complete the whole work.
Okay.
But like 40 presentations were there. The team which was there, who was handling that, the orientation team, they came to us and they told us that there's no way out. You have to present. Like there's no way out. If you have participated, if you have spent the time for 3 days, you have to do it. And we were like, what are we going to do? We have no plan. We have no idea. So in 40 minutes, we actually completed the whole idea.
Wow.
एकदम छोटा छोटा बना के जैसे भी करके we did that in 40 minutes, like pure entrepreneurship thing, right? Like living on the edge types. And then we presented. It was not good, obviously. We didn't get selected because we
Yeah.
completed this whole thing in 40 minutes. हमने वो था ना करने के लिए किया था. That
I
was
know.
it. But that was the experience. But I'll tell you that when it was not even complete and I got on the stage and I pitched, okay, and I didn't know I was going to pitch 5 minutes before. मुझे 5 मिनट पहले तक पता नहीं था कि मैं pitch करने वाला हूँ. So
Okay.
that experience, that experience of getting on the stage and pitching about something जिसके लिए मैंने preparation नहीं की है और जिसके लिए like impromptu होता है ना, मुझे पता ही नहीं था
On
उसके
stage.
बारे में.
It was directly
That
on stage.
happened. Yes, on stage. In front of investors. You're not even talking about some school teachers, you're talking about investors from the industry.
Yeah.
And I did that, and that experience, I know we failed miserably, but whenever some situation arises, no, कि ऐसा कुछ when things are not going right or something happens, I just remember that incident. कि I pitched a horrible idea, right? But I pitched it, and in very less time, and I can do it. मैंने वो किया था उन investors के सामने, तो मैं ये तो कर ही सकता हूँ.
Okay.
So that's like how I view things because of that experience. So that was my like first startup experience. That was it.
Okay.
And then recently we actually built there was this hackathon thing in our college. So because it was like a virtual internship.
Okay.
So we had to actually solve a problem statement.
Okay.
So our problem statement was to create a roadmap for a healthier, happier, and safer future for the country.
Okay.
So we developed a business model around that, an application around that, and like that was a plan.
Okay.
And then again, just like on Zoom, we pitched it to panelists on Zoom, and I pitched it again. मैंने वापस pitch किया, and we got selected this time into the finals, but we obviously lost in the finals. But yeah, so those are the two experiences of entrepreneurship till now for me. What about you, man? You are the running. You ran a company, I heard. Like
yeah. Actually, I'm learning mostly.
Man, I should learn from you in this. You have to speak more in this one.
People have different experiences and they grow self, right? It's not about that how many companies you run, but it's about how well you run that company. Okay, so and you are kind of a person like it's more experience. Like I don't feel like what should I ask more than you? Like you are so humble. Like I see when I talked to you on call like some few days ago, and you remember I had some issue and I called you.
Yes, I do remember that.
You know, I generally don't I'm very hard choice type of person. Like I choose people very rarely. Like I choose people very rarely. But when you first talked to me like that, I was like crazy. Like इस बंदे को life में रखना है. ऐसे type के बंदे मेरे को चाहिए. Like कोई motivation आता है यार. वो like एक light होती है ना. Like full darkness में एक light होती है. That at that time you were like that. Okay. So my experience, मेरा तो बहुत सारा experience रहा है startups में, and I first interned in a company that was company in Vadodara only, and I interned for free. I was in after I was in 10th, I completed my 10th, and I just passed in 10th, and let me tell you, so I just passed my 10th, and I was having a free time, so I had no clear vision like what I should take, but I had one thing like I want to be a entrepreneur too, and my passion is to be a pilot, like commercial pilot. So I had to take science, and that was very hard choice for me because मेरे लिए वो लाइफ का टर्निंग पॉइंट बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि आज तक मैंने जो किया है ना ऐसा हार्ड थिंग के बीच में गया हूँ मैं. लाइक कभी ऐसा लिया नहीं कि कॉमर्स हो, चाहे कॉमर्स लीजिए तो कॉमर्स ले दो. ओके, तो उस टाइम में मैंने कंपनी में इंटर्न किया फ्री में 1 साल के लिए, एंड मैंने देखा सीखा लोग कैसे सीखते हैं, लीडरशिप क्या होती है, उसके पीछे क्या चीज़ होती है. आई लर्न दैट, एंड मैंने ट्राई किया. आई स्टार्टेड getemployee.com company 3 years ago. It was basically to help unemployed people. Okay, it was basically to help unemployed people. I gained many people in that website. I made that website. I took someone's help to make that website because I had zero fund. I had zero knowledge about this practical world.
It doesn't seem like that.
I was like अभी I have to expect what I was like. Accept करना, तुम expect करो, तुम मतलब कैसे हो, accept करोगे तभी तुम आगे बढ़ोगे. Right. So that I मतलब उस टाइम एक्सपीरियंस लिया, बुक मैंने स्टार्ट किया, then I had studies, then I left that company. But when I look back those things, I feel special. Like यार इतना सब किया, इतना सारा नॉलेज मिला, इतना सारा एक्सपीरियंस मिला, अभी इतने सारी मैं चीजें संभाल रहा हूँ. I'm like it was a great journey for me. Like till now, I don't know where I will stand in future, but I know that these moments were special moments for me. And I hope that मैं जो सीखा हूँ, मेरी नॉलेज है वो दूसरे को बांटूँ. ओके, क्योंकि मेरे को जो नॉलेज है वो बांटेंगे तभी नॉलेज का हम लोग, वरना नॉलेज फालतू है भाई, एजुकेशन तुम्हारा फालतू है इफ यू डोंट स्प्रेड इट आउट, ठीक है. सो what are your opinions like on young millennials in sense young people, okay, they want to do but they can't do procrastination work mostly, because I was also one of the procrastination people. What do you tell about procrastination in this?
So, procrastination, I can speak something about procrastination because I have a great experience about it. Because I have been a procrastinator since 19 years. Okay, I'm just 21, and सिर्फ last year ही थोड़ा change आया है. उसके पहले I was the if there was a competition about procrastination, I would have won. Right? It was like that. So procrastination ka what I've realized is, there is not a solution to it. You first have to realize why you procrastinate. Like people, सबको solution चाहिए कि हाँ procrastination करते हैं हम. But first you have to realize what happens in your mind that you want to procrastinate. Why are you not doing the things which you want to?
Okay.
So what I have realized is कि जभी भी whenever you have the things which you really want to do, okay, like they are on top of your priority list, when you have that hunger and passion for that thing, so you must have noticed in your previous experiences also there's no procrastination there. वहाँ पे procrastination आता ही नहीं है. When you have that hunger and passion for those things, it doesn't come.
Yeah.
Right? But when there are things, something which I realized, when people do things which are trendy,
Yeah.
right, जो अभी trend में चल रहे हैं, but they themselves are not very much wanting to do it, or not, they don't have the passion for it.
Yeah.
So वो trending चीजों को follow करने में वो लोग अपने to do list बनाते हैं कि these are the trending things, I should do this, and they don't end up doing it, and that's called for them procrastination.
I know.
Right? So before jumping onto the solution to procrastination, first identify what you really need to do.
Yeah.
First identify what is really important to you. First identify your priority list and things.
Okay.
Right? And don't add up too much. Like on a day-to-day basis, don't add up too many tasks. This is one thing about productivity. Like if you directly just start on a daily basis by adding that I want to do 10 things today, you're not going to do 10 things, and even if you do, you are not going to do them as effectively as you could have done if you would have taken separate times for those things.
It's like you can start with small
so
things.
In those,
it's like
exactly, you have to start very small.
Go for your potentials, look out for it, find what is your potential, do small tasks, finish it. It will make you confident, it will help you to build more confidence and less procrastinate yourself. Okay.
Exactly. Figuring out कि तुम्हें क्या पसंद है. कभी भी तुमको कोई स्पोर्ट खेलने में जहाँ पे तुमको बहुत मजा आ रहा है, तुमने उसमें कभी प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट किया है? नहीं. कभी कोई मूवी देखने में तुमको जो देखनी है तुमने उसमें प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट किया? नहीं. Because at that moment you really want to do it.
Yeah.
So similarly you have to find something first जो तुमको करना है, right? And still if there are some things जो हमेशा अपने हिसाब से नहीं. So if you have to do some things, so this I was reading it in a book also, I don't remember. So for procrastination, what you have to do is just start.
Yeah.
अगर ऐसा कि मुझे अभी मेरे को पढ़ना है, मतलब या फिर I have to do this thing, I have to do this work, just start. Don't plan कि अभी करूँगा वो करूँगा. No, just
do
उसी time whenever the thought comes, just start. Before the thought of procrastination comes in your mind, just start. That's जैसे ही तुम शुरू करते हो ना, then it's easy. It's difficult to stop the work you're doing and then go back into procrastination rather than not starting at all.
Yeah, actually,
right. So that's what I can say from this.
Yeah, that's great. Like currently also I had some issues with procrastination because it was quarantine and we don't know what to do it, right? So I had some issue in that. I had an fitness interview. I lost like 24 to 25 kgs in just 4 months, and Arjun took my interview. And in that I told same, like, don't think about what you want to do, just do it. It's not gonna change some other's life. You are not doing for others. At least do for yourself. Can you tell some tips like how a fitness can help to change your life? Because from my personal experience, it changed my life. from changed my perspective, it changed my thought, it changed my whole internal body structure because I used to do yoga too, and yoga was a like other experience. Like what are your words on this?
Yeah, so fitness to me is just like, because फिटनेस का जो चीज है ना, जो लोग एक्चुअली फिटनेस में है वो बहुत बेटर समझ सकते हैं. लाइक इट्स वेरी इजी टू फील, मतलब इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू एक्सप्रेस इट इन वर्ड्स. बट जो लोग एक्चुअली फिटनेस में हैं, जो लाइक यू राइट, यू आर इनटू वेट लिफ्टिंग, यू लॉस्ट वेट, you have that addiction. Similarly, people, so many people out there who have that addiction. One thing which I found with fitness is ki when you lift weights, like particularly when you're lifting weights, right? If you look at closely your workout routine and your journey in the gym, if you're really regular from the first day to the end of the year, if you're regular, so that is, it is as similar to life as anything can be. मतलब if you try to, अगर हम उन चीज़ों को relate करें, so like if you are squatting, like I love squatting. So if you are squatting on you're using the rod in your squatting, right?
Yes, yes.
So yeah, so eventually you start small, okay, with very light weights, because it's a dangerous exercise too. And then धीरे you increase the weights, you increase the resistance, you become stronger while doing
Okay.
that,
Yeah, yeah.
right? And then you go down, all the weight on that rod is on your legs, on your whole body, and then you beat that with all the energy you have and you come up.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Don't you think that is as to life as it can be? Like
yeah.
इससे ज़्यादा similarity
एक बंदा भी एक सीखेगा ना यार, हाँ ऋषभ भाई ने तो ऐसा बोला, अतिक ने कुछ बोला, कोई भी आई जस्ट लाइक कोई भी एक भी चीज सीखेगा ना, इट विल बी लाइक सक्सेसफुल मी, literally I just love sharing knowledge and helping people, like from wealth also and from my knowledge too, because आज के टाइम में I wanted सब अपनी एक लाइफ बनाए, अपने पेरेंट्स को प्राउड करे, बिकॉज उनसे ज्यादा मेहनत कोई नहीं करता हमारे पीछे. like I really am really like I'm very really grateful for all parents that they are इतना सब होने के बाद भी they are teaching their sons and daughters in a good school, they are giving good education, they are helping their financially, they are मतलब सब जगह से हेल्प करते हो. सो तुम भी अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए सोचो, किसी के लिए नहीं ना. मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
अगर you focus on things for a long period of time, you develop that habit. That is why I love reading. I just fix a timer for 1 hour. I just read for it. मैं कुछ phone check नहीं करता, कुछ नहीं. So that is a practice for the brain. It can focus more on that. Okay. You know, अभी YouTube के वीडियोस तुम देखो, सब देखो, बहुत शॉर्ट हो रहे हैं because attention span अपनी जनरेशन का सबसे कम है in the last 100 years. हाँ. Because we are training we have this technology with us, right? But we are training with this to get more distracted, right? It's not that we are getting distracted, we are training ourselves to get more distracted by scrolling constantly on Instagram, right? You're giving the message to the brain, you know, मैं मेरा attention span in 2 seconds change करता रहूंगा, and then you do that for a long period of time, you do that for years and years and years, and your attention span is, you know, totally ruined, and फिर वो हो जाता है. You know, in school if you realize, like जैसे जैसे तुम बड़े होते ना, तुम्हें distractions बढ़ते रहते. In school there were not many distractions because you were used to, you know, pay attention to the teachers for 45 minutes 50 minutes. उस टाइम तुम्हारे पास phones नहीं होते थे. But now when you are at home there are a lot of things to distract you, right? And that is why when you cater to that, तुम अपने mind को train करते हो बार बार उस चीज को करने के लिए. So stop scrolling mindlessly, okay? Fix times for using your technology, like your social media and everything. So don't let that you know, take over your life, take over them. तुम उसको अपने schedule में लाओ कि हाँ इसी टाइम में ये करूँगा.
Last question for the day.
Sure, man.
Gonna end it. The last question is, if you are a young Rishabh, 16-year-old a young Rishabh, which book you will recommend him to read, or what type of life advice, like till you will give him? Give a short answer.
Okay. Like first coming to the book, I think the book I would recommend is Start with Why by Simon Sinek. You must have heard about that.
Yeah, I read it. Yeah. I read
Start with Why. That's amazing. Read that. मैं कुछ नहीं कहूँगा उसके बारे में. Just grab that book and read it.
I know it. क्योंकि एक बार बोलेंगे ना फिर खत्म नहीं होगा बोलने का.
Exactly. That's so much to say about that, man. That's like revolutionary. Start with Why is one book I'll recommend. There are many, but अभी दिमाग में नहीं आ रही. But I think that's the closest I can go to.
Okay, so
and advice, right? Like you're talking about advice.
Young age.
Yeah. So in very short, I'll just sum up my advice. कि at 16 and 17, what happens is कि हम लोगों को लगता है हमें सब पता है, ठीक है? हम लोगों को लगता है हमको सब आता है. You know, in that phase, but actually that is not true. And दूसरा कि don't pretend that you know everything. अगर तुम्हें नहीं पता है तो भी cool बनने के लिए don't pretend. Go ask for help if you really want help.
Okay.
Go ask for advice if you really need advice. Don't think that the smartest 16-year-old. I used to think that कि मेरे से smart कोई नहीं है और मुझे किसी की help की जरूरत नहीं है. I used to give, you know, फालतू chiller advice to people at 16, and like that was so foolish of me. I realize now I was pretending to know things which I didn't know. Right? And if you get in that loop, it's very hard to. I consider myself very lucky to get out of the loop. But don't do that. If you don't know something, accept it and take help from people.
Yeah.
If you know something, stick with it. If you don't know, don't pretend to know that.
Okay.
That's what I can say.
That's great. That's great talking to you. And yeah, one last thing I'm gonna say about this Rishabh, that he is also involved in a mentorship program. You can just DM him. That program is incredible. Like I think once in a lifetime everyone should do that. Like he's into it's not his program, but he's involved in one of those programs, and where you are mentored by mentored by companies, मतलब जो कंपनी बहुत बड़ी कंपनीज है, जो उनके लीडर है, उनसे तुम मेंटोर होते हो, एंड यू गेट easy roads to go for success. You can just DM. I'll give his account below, and I also provide his LinkedIn account. Yes, Rishabh, thank you for your time. I really appreciate your time. Like, thank you, buddy, from taking this time. Like, it was a how
Man,
to.
thank you. It was great. It was a great conversation with you. You know, at your age, I was not doing the things which you are doing. You are an inspiration. You know, you are the young guru here, right?
No,
So
no.
it's great talking to you, man. It's great talking to you. Love the spirit. I love your attitude, and I love that you're going ahead in a great direction.
Thank
I hope I continue learning from you, man. It's like that.
you. I want to
Thank you
learn
for
many.
this time. Thank you for calling me here and asking me to share things. It feels great, man. It feels great to talk with
Thanks a
people
lot.
like you.
Thanks a lot.
Great, great.
Thanks a lot. And yeah, that was our first episode with Rishabh. And you can if you have any query, any question, just DM him. He's a great person. Like, I'm truly telling
Sure,
you.
sure. Hit me up anytime. Hit me up anytime. If I can solve your thing, if I know the solution to your problems, see, I'm not a guru and I don't have all the answers in life. But if I can, maybe अगर मेरा experience उसके साथ है, then please do hit me up. I'll love to help you. Or I really have great contacts. I'd love to connect you with people who can really help you. Right?
Okay,
So just
then,
just feel free to do that.
yeah, just go to his account and just DM. And that's all for our first episode. And I love you all, guys. If you have any doubt, any queries, then just let me know. I'm just helping. I'm here for you guys because I have also very busy schedule for whole day. रात को मैं आता हूँ 9 बजे, ऋषभ, रात को मैं आता हूँ, सुबह से जाता हूँ, रात को घर पे आता हूँ. And आज I was here, and thank you for.
You're a grinder, man. You work really hard.
Yeah.
Inspiration.
Thank you, brother. Thanks for your time. Okay, so that's
Thanks, man.
that's all. That's all from our first episode, and I hope you will at least like, or just give a review. Just share if you love it. Just share. If you even learn one
Sure.
thing, just share. Okay, so I'll not take
Do that.
more much time for you guys. Chalo, bye, and have a great days ahead.
It's caught in the crossfire.